Welcome in, welcome back, guys. I was in Aldi's, whatever. And I saw this garlic and herb risotto, right? And I saw some mushrooms, right? And I saw these baby scallops. I said, I'm putting all of that together and I'm gonna make a video. Guys, all of this, right? The mushrooms, the scallop was $10. $10.10. And I did grab an extra one. And this one is truffle, right? And goat cheese risotto. I'll let you know what this one tastes like another time, but we're going with the garlic and herb. So I'm gonna follow package directions and we'll be right back. All right, guys, real quick, here's the package directions. Basically, we're gonna put this in 2.5 cups of water and we're gonna wait 15 minutes. All right, guys, we got our base scallops, right? They're little tiny scallops, right? Let me open this up. Here it says it's about 120 per bag, right? That's what it says. So these are small, little tiny baby ones. So I'm just gonna put them in some water. I'm gonna say that's enough. And that's probably too much. I'm gonna let this thaw out in probably about 10-15 minutes. Be right back. All right, guys, real quick, I'm just gonna slice this mushroom up real small, just to give us a little texture in that risotto, I guess, right? And these are brown off and look nice, right? And that's it. All right, guys, just for flavor, I'm going in with a little, half a tablespoon of butter. Let that melt up. Go in with our mushrooms, right? Go in with our mushrooms. And now we're just gonna brown these off, guys. Let's go in with a little bit of kosher salt, help bring out the moisture. Shouldn't take that long, guys. All right, they got some color to them now, a little bit of color on them. I'm going in with our scallops. And what I did was I put them in water and now I just kind of dry them off a little bit. We're gonna go back in with a little bit more butter. Now, these scallops are so small, it probably shouldn't take very long for them to cook up. My pan is now on high. We're going in with the scallops, guys. We're just going to brown these off and cook them down. And these are not going to take long to cook at all. Just keep them moving. See how they're starting to change color here? I think the next time I do this, I'm going to put some shallots in this pan, right? You see how pan is starting to change color? Scallops giving off their water. All right, guys, I'm going to call these mostly done, and I'm going to let the pan, I'm turning this off, and I'm going to let the pan do the rest of the cooking. So I'm going to put this off to the side. All right, guys, we're going to follow package directions. This is our 2.5 cups of water. I already pre-measured the water, if you're wondering. I'm going to let that come to a boil, even though the water's already hot. Guys, them scallops are smelling good. All right, so let's just see what's in the box. Look at that. It's 2 packets, right? That's our rice. And I guess that's our flavoring, right? And our rice. We're supposed to put both of those in. All right, so I'm putting the white one in first. That looks like it's all the seasoning or the cheese. And then the rice. I'm going to give this a stir. We're going to bring it down to a medium heat, guys. And we're just going to let it do its thing. That's it. We just wait. And we'll occasionally stir here and there. And we'll see how this comes out. Alright, guys, as you can see, I decided to turn it up a little bit. I think I had it too low. So I don't know if that's going to turn out to be a good thing or a bad thing, but you can see it's really starting to lose its liquid, right? And we're going to go until it looks like the box. So I'm going to say that's probably only a few more minutes. And you know what, guys? I'm going to do this now, at this point, so we can heat up our scallops and stuff, right? Let's put our scallops in this little extra water that's in our pan, butter. Mushrooms, right? Give this a spin. All right, we're gonna just let that liquid come out. I'm gonna say probably another 5 minutes or so, right? All right, guys, now we're getting there, right? We're really almost right at that point. So I'm just gonna try and keep this moving for right now because we're getting close to where we wanna be. I don't wanna make it too dry. I don't want it to be too wet. Let's just grab the box real quick. That's what the box looks like. That's what we're looking like. I think we're almost there, guys. The scallops are definitely cooked through now. Now, I did say you could add a stick of butter and some more cheese. So let's give this a taste. Let's give this a taste. I know it's not quite there yet, but let's give this a taste while we got an opportunity, right? It's not the worst thing. I am going to put that butter in there. And I'm going to put some cracked black pepper. That's enough. Alright guys, you know what? Let's give this another taste. Let's give this another taste real quick. Because I'm really worried about the texture of the rice, right? Guys, it's there. Alright. We're right there. Give this another minute or so. Keep stirring. Guys, if you like risotto, this is gonna work. This works, guys. Let's keep it moving at the end. Let's keep it moving. Alright guys, this is going in the pan. I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is what we look like. Let's go into our pot, a pan. I'm calling this a pot. Let's go into our bowl. Guys, this is really enough for two, but I'm just making this video, right? And then we're down with a little bit of parsley, guys. And with a little bit of parsley. Some more over here. And guys, this is what we got. There's our plate, right? Here's our bowl, right? Here's our bowl. Here's the box. Our bowl, right, guys? Perfect. Let's see. I got a scallop here. Got a mushroom. Look at that bite. Guys, this, if we balling on a budget and we want it easy, it is, Guys, this is enough for two. I think the one box was like $2.99. One of these boxes was $2.99. If you got two of these, this would be $12. And you still got scallops left over. Guys, ALDI's knocked it out the box with this one. Now, maybe I haven't had good risotto, but I know what tastes good, right? This tastes good. Guys, like, subscribe, right? I'm going to do some more of these ALDI hauls, right? Or ALDI videos. Where everything I get comes from ALDI's. ALDI's, right? This tastes good. Alright, guys. Everybody's taking some of these risotto. Now, on the box, it said you could add some Parmesan cheese. So, guys, next time I make this, I'm going to have, I have some shrimp shells in the freezer. I'm going to take the 2.5 cups of water and I'll put the shrimp shells in there first. Then I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese to this at the end. Guys, this is a banger. This is really good. Maybe I never had really good risotto before, but I know this tastes good too. All right, guys, like and subscribe. Guys, good. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.